Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu. So I decided to make this video before I get home because it's a message that I feel that I need to take out now, right? Because abantu abadala bakhuluma ngamaphupho, bakhuluma ngama intuition, bakhuluma ngazo zonke izinto, right? So this is a message that ikehla lam, my ancestors gave me through a dream, and now it's like, girl, make the video, share with people, because so that everybody can be helped and everybody can, get a message. So ikehla lami liyafika ke ephupheni, right? Bayangipha umlayezo. Lithi kimi lekhehla, udokotela othwele kulomhlaba uphila kuyona ngane yami uyahlonishwa, kodwa udokotela ongathwalanga akahlonipheki. Now the ball is in your court. Thina siza ngokukhanya, thina asithwalanga, thina siza ngokuhle, kodwa the decision at the end of the day will be yours, and whatever you decide, you must deal with the consequences. Ungangahlonipheki ebantwini ngoba uza ngokukhanya, kodwa amandla akhona ayisimanga. Kodwa lothwele amandla akhe abukeka, powerful. Uzohlonipheka abe nemali, aphile impilo, kodwa impilo yakhe will be shortened. Ebantwini emphakathini will look happy, kodwa ngempela lo muntu akajabulanga, akalali ebusuku. Wena mawulala sikuvakashela njengamathonga akho, siza siba nesikhathi nawe senza konke, yena usemathuneni lo muntu uyaganga, uyenza ukuphi, akalali. Fanele afide lento le athwele ngayo. And I got to realize, guys, ukuthi mina ubuthongo bami, it's very important. Having time with my ancestors, it's very important. Having a peaceful sleep and being able to wake up in the morning, it's very important to me. So what may look or what may seem as impilo, it's not actually impilo, bantwana bethongo. Kukhona amadlozi aza ngokukhanya, kukhona amadlozi aza ngobumnyama. The minute you tap emadlozini aza ngobumnyama, trust, believe me, bayajabula. One may say, hey, la madlozi athwele, lama dokotela athwele ayenza ubumnyama noma izangoma ezenza ubumnyama, they are able to ukubhula nani. Yes, angithi leli elimnyama liyajabula, liyamvezela. And that means everybody ozoza lapho uzo attractwa ileyo nto. And that was confirmation enough mangikhuluma nomunye umkhulu ngangiye kuye izolo. Athi kimi, ngane yami, when a person akupha umuthi umelaphi, athi nawo umuthi usebenzise, okuyenza lokhu nalokhu, you don't actually know what they are giving you, it's that. What if mina ngikubukile nganyuka nawe ngathi eish mangamuthi tlatla 1 2 3 ngambamba, idlozi elokukhanya ngaleso sikhathi ngoba usuyathakatha, you doing something that is against that person's will. Idlozi elikhanyayo ngane yami liyahlehla bese kusondela laba bomumnyama. Believe you me, bayabizana. Iline ezogcwala la eyalabantu abaza ngobumnyama, abafuna into zobumnyama. And I was like, mase ngihleli ukuthi amakhehla afikela khuluma nami, nangu lo mkhulu sengixoxa naye ukhuluma ngento ekanje. Then I got to realize ukuthi it's easy for a person when they start their journey aqale ngobukhanya ukuthi no mina ngithakathi mina, but it's very it's a thin line. It's umuntu angena akutshela amaphupho wakhe, umbonele noma angena umbonele ukuthi ledlozi lalo muntu li very powerful, usuyamvala. Ukumvala kwakho noma ungamvali ngomuthi, uwazi kahle ukuthi lephupho lisho ukuthini, wena udecide ungamkhanyiseli ngaleyo ndlela. Uwazi ukuthi lo muntu ufanele umvulele wena udecide ukungamvuleli already sothakatha ngenhliziyo. Yonke into starts in the mind, goes in the heart, then kuba yisenzo. Ukuyicabanga kwakho ingene enhlizweni yakho bese kuba yisenzo ukumonela loyo muntu. Inhliziyo umthakathi omkhulu bantwana bethongo. So it's a very thin line. So the ball is in your court ukuthi wena uchoose ini. What do you choose to do? What do you choose to do? So bantwana bethongo, let's be very careful ngento esizenzayo. Mawuthola impande noma uthola umuthi kumelaphi, phahlela emsamba, buza abantu abadala, because whatever loyo muthi izoyenza empilweni yakho fanele uthole i-support and guidance from your ancestors. If umuthi ongalunganga bazovela, if umuthi olungile bazovela. Even your your intuition, your instincts will say ukuthi yes, you can use it, no, don't use it. Uzomangala wena lo muthi kunini sebathe ufuna kunento ethi cha. Sometimes uzukhohle nokuse uthi uyawusebenzisa kube nento ephuthumayo. They are talking, do not use. Do not use. Umuthi mawumbekile lapha uyafana. Futhi nawe mawungaya eFaraday waya kuphi la kuthengisa imithi khona, uyibona ihleli lapha ya streamline. You don't know till they tell you ukuthi no, le umuthi omhlophe, lo yivula watwati, lo yinini, lo impindi siphindisela, lo yinini. But without you consulting with your ancestors, the person can be saying whatever they want to say. Ngoba ufuna ukukuthwalisa. They've seen you. Labantu abavula ama-shop wemithi, you don't know when ubona i-shop yomuthi. I can give you whatever I want to give you because you are desperate. But learn to communicate and have a relationship nethonga lakho. Have a relationship nethonga lakho. Communicate with them. Ask for permission. Ngoba the minute you tap ebumnyameni, it's very difficult to come out. It's very difficult to come out. Very difficult. It's not an overnight thing. Ukuhlambulula izidlozi, it's very difficult. So imagine the journey you've taken ukuthi ngifuna ukulungisa into zami zakamoya. Then poof, you do something wrong. Uyoqalela phansi. You're gonna sweat. Especially if you did not even consult your ancestors. If you did consult them and you used it and you're like, but guys, why did you keep quiet? I told you. Kodwa, if you did not, you don't have a leg to stand on. You do not have a backbone. You don't have something to cover yourself with. Abantu abasebenzayo, they will tell you, kunento ekuthiwa in the workplace, you must always cover yourself with paperwork, especially in the law industry. Send an email. Have recordings on your phone. A person can simply come and say, you never told me. But I did tell you, I did send you an email, I did send you a message. There's a recording. Our conversation, though, it was, cover yourself. Have Leon Toguti, I am protected. Nothing will be used against me in the court of law. When my ancestors sebabambe inkundla lapha sewahlela amakhehla ku boardroom discussing about you, you are able to say kodwa hayi makhehla nezalokazi. Remember salokazi ngafika ngathi. Remember khehla ngafika ngathi. Then they'll be like, oh, okay. Ithi singakugwebela into ongayenzanga ngane yami. So that's the message for today. Please leave a comment in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos. Ngiyanethanda emakhosini.